Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Primrose. If you're new here, hello. Today we are going to do a full get ready with me vlog. I'm going out on a date, and I thought I've never done one of these videos before on my channel where I just show you guys me getting ready and all that good stuff. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna focus on hair. This hair needs to come off. That's all I'm gonna say. This hair needs to come off. So hopefully on my next vlog you guys will not have to be, you know, to be looking at this hair. But yeah, so we're going to do the hair, we're gonna do makeup, we're gonna do outfit of the night, we're also gonna show you some fragrance, and yeah, then I'll probably do a few clips of the restaurant that I'm going to. I'm going to like a vibe restaurant in London, Bromley to be specific. I went to this restaurant for my birthday and I had to say to my mister, we need to go there. I need to relive the night. I know obviously the night is going to be different because I'm not gonna be with my girls. I don't know. Comment below if you enjoy going out more with your girls rather than with your man. I know it's different. I love my man, but sometimes when you go out for girls, there's just a different atmosphere. Do you know what I mean? Girls just, you know, we just get each other. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. So I will start on my hair and then I'll record that. And yeah, and if you're new here, please like, comment, subscribe. I would like you to stay on this channel because we have a really good time. We have a really good time on this channel. I usually do videos on faith, mindset, self-improvement, mental health, and all that good stuff. So if I'm not vlogging, I'm sitting down and I'm yapping. And right now I feel like I'm yapping too much. So let's get into this vlog. Touchdown, hey. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. 100 deep when I roll like the army. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. Yeah, your grandma will probably know me. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. G-Wagon, 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 all the housewives pulling up. G-Wagon, 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 all the housewives pulling up. G-Wagon, 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 all the housewives pulling up. G-Wagon, G-Wagon, G-Wagon. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. Hi guys, so I have put on my lashes. I feel like these lashes are like so big. Don't know how I feel about them. So I've drawn my lips and I'm gonna put some NYX butter gloss. I love this. It tastes so good, and not only that, it smells delish.
That Prescott touchdown, hey. On that bed.
Are you really a baby if you don't put more high gloss? I used to have a lecturer who used to say to me, "You've got so much." Yeah, I think the lips are popping. So yeah, so now it's time to take this off and then move on to the next stage, which is the outfit. Yeah, so I'm wearing this black dress. I think I got this dress from Shein. I wore this dress for my friend Lucy's 30th birthday. And you know that, fun fact, she's actually doing a black theme again this year for her birthday. So I'm not gonna wear the same dress, but you know. Yes, so this is the dress. I love this dramatic design it's got. It's a really pretty dress. So pretty. I put my hair in a bun, or if I should leave it down like I'm going to put some Valentino. This it smells so fine. I feel like, yeah, and it lasted all night, this fragrance. So that's the Valentino. And I'm gonna wear my rings. I'm only gonna wear 3 rings today. One there, one here. Anyway guys, do you like my nails? I think I did a good job on these nails, guys. Like, these nails are just like, I love them, I love them, I love them. Dress. The dress. And then I'm going to carry my River Island bag. It's just like a nice clutch bag. So that's the fit. I'm ready and I feel like I look really good. I look really pretty. I'm wearing black.
I need you now, I need you now.
I don't wanna give you the wrong impression. I need love and affection. And I hope I'm not sounding too desperate. I need love and affection.
Boy, lately, you've been stingy with your time. Got me wondering, I'm wondering if I'm on your mind.
Love and affection. Love and affection.
Oh, baby, I'm not asking for the world, maybe. You can give me what I want, baby. Come home tight and when I'm trying to save me, give it to me on a daily. If I'm your girl, say my name, boy, let me know I'm in control. We both wrong, so how we
gonna have to wrap it up here, guys. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye, guys.
Lately, you've been stingy with your time, got me wondering.